Amazon's original Echo Show pioneered the smart display category last year when it showed that pairing Alexa with the screen actually makes sense. But then Google came in with its own take on the smart display thanks to partners like JBL and Lenovo. Not only were the Google smart displays better looking, they also had better features, like step-by-step cooking guides and YouTube integration. But the Echo Show has undergone a serious makeover. The 2018 version of Amazon's Echo Show has a bigger screen, improved design, better audio, and a revamped user interface. Top that off with features like a new cooking guide, a built-in browser, and a smart home hub, and it's clear that Amazon's ready to strike back against its rivals. While the original Echo Show was clunky and bulky, the 2018 version is anything but. Instead, it has a minimalist design and a smaller footprint, perfect for small kitchens. There's also a bigger 10-inch HD quality screen that's better suited to watching videos. Amazon took the time to refresh the user interface in general. Even the graphics for the weather look richer and more colorful. The speakers have improved as well. With two 2-inch neodymium drivers and a passive bass radiator, the new Echo Show puts out really great sound with deep bass and crisp highs. I was especially impressed with the spatial audio system that makes it feel like the sound is moving all around me. Where the new Echo Show really shines is with its litany of new features, which are clearly aimed at staving off competition from Google. For one thing, it now has a visually rich step-by-step cooking guide when there wasn't one before. I said, show me a chocolate chip cookie recipe, for example, and it showed me a list of curated results from content partners like Kitchen Stories. When I tap on a recipe, I can either watch a video walkthrough if available, or a step-by-step guide complete with pictures. I found all of the extra visuals really helpful, way more so than the text-only versions on Google Smart Display. Thanks to that bigger screen, I was especially excited about all of the new entertainment features. There's Amazon's Prime Video, of course, which was there on the original show. But thanks to the new user interface, I can browse and explore shows a lot easier this time around. One more difference now is that Amazon has partnered with content providers like NBC and Hulu. It even works with Hulu's live TV service, so you can say things like show me ESPN on Hulu to watch live sports. This is certainly a feature that would make me want to be a Hulu subscriber. I also really enjoyed the Vevo integration, so I could watch all my favorite music videos with ease. I didn't get to test this out, but the Echo Show also works with Amazon's newly released Fire TV Recast, an over-the-air DVR. So you can say things like show me my recordings to watch all of your recorded shows on the Echo Show. Other new features on the Echo Show include integrations with Amazon smart home cameras, including the Ring Video Doorbell, so you can see who's at your front door without having to leave the kitchen. Like the Echo Plus, it also has a smart home hub that makes it easier to pair your smart home devices. Perhaps the Echo Show's killer feature, at least in my opinion, is a built-in browser, which is not available on Google Smart Display at all. It comes with both Silk, Amazon's own browser, and Firefox. You can just say open Silk, for example, to open the browser, and then use it to go to, well, pretty much any website I could think of, including YouTube.com. This is a pretty important detail because if you'll remember, YouTube integration was an exclusive to Google's smart displays. But now, thanks to the browser, you can access all of your favorite YouTube videos on the Echo Show as well. What's more, it's even a little more powerful than the YouTube integration on Google's smart displays, because on here, you can actually access all of your favorite channel subscriptions. It's worth noting, however, that the browser is one of the few features on the Echo Show that is not primarily voice-driven. You'll have to bring up the on-screen keyboard occasionally to enter in URLs and login information, for example. Yet, if you're a Google diehard, you might not like the Echo Show all that much. It doesn't have Google Maps integration, for example, so you can't send directions directly to your phone. It's also only compatible with certain Nest products. It doesn't fully work with the latest Nest Hello Video Doorbell, for example. And sure, you can watch YouTube via the browser, but it's not quite the same experience as watching via a native app. On the whole, though, there is no doubt that Amazon has made substantial improvements to the Echo Show. It looks better, it sounds better, and it has almost reached parity with the Google Smart Display in terms of features. It's also priced at $230, which is $20 cheaper than the Google-powered 10-inch Lenovo Smart Display. If you're a Google fan, you would advise waiting to see what else Google has in store later this year. But if you're a fan of Hulu TV, or you just prefer Amazon services, then the Echo Show is definitely worth checking out.